Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on how I achieved this protective style. To know how I made this look come alive, stay tuned and don't go away.
He treats you wrong. Wish I could show you love. Wish I could make you know that. Baby, I need
For this style, you will need a tail comb, some rubber bands, eco styling gel, a thread, a holding spray, and some hair. You will need to have your hair freshly washed. Try and moisturize it. Apply all the oils that you normally apply to your hair. As you can see, I've already applied mine. I applied shea butter as well. Currently my hair is really shrinking. It's because I washed it overnight, and also I like the way it feels now. My hair is thicker than it usually is and it looks very healthy. It's because I've been doing these protective style, making my hair rest a little bit. Divide your hair into two. Make sure the line is straight. It's going to be a struggle if you're doing it alone, but just do your best and make sure the line is straight. I'm going to try my best over here, but hopefully it works. Then you secure one side so that you can make time and work on the other side without the other side interfering with the other side. I hope I'm making sense. So you start applying your eco styling gel to your hair. There's no rule to how much you can apply the gel to your hair. At this point, I apply as much as I want depending on how sleek I want my hair to be. As you can see, it's turning white. Don't get frightened, don't get discouraged. It's normal. This is as a result of the oils and the shea butter I have in my hair. Normally I do this before I go to bed so that when I do it the next day it doesn't look this white, but because of the video I had to apply it to protect my hair. At this point, start dividing your hair according to how you want the line to be shown on your hair. Definitely hold every part that you make with the rubber bands that I showed you earlier. It will hold everything in place. Trust me, if you're still getting discouraged with the white residue, don't be. It's going to really go away. Just give it some time, let it dry up, and you will see nothing.
Where do you go? Every time I touch you better, yeah. Whispering love, ain't nobody gotta hear. He lose control, doesn't even know you're here. Nobody knows, I just keep it in my head. I don't say too much, I'm just here to tell, baby, I don't say too much. Whoa, I don't say to tell, baby.
This is what you should have now. So you then start braiding each into a twist.
Wish I could start it over, baby, I need you over. Wish I could taste, kiss you down by your waist. He treats you wrong. Wish I could show you love. Wish I could make you know it. Baby, I need to know it. Where do you go? Every time I touch you better, yeah. Whispering love, ain't nobody gotta hear. He lose control.
Make sure you do the same to the other side as well. After everything is done, this is how your hair should look like. You come back and try and work with the edges. Make sure everything is laid very well. As I told you, there's no rule to how much eco styling gel you should apply to your hair. It depends on how sleek you want your hair to be. At this point, I wanted my edges to really lay down well, so I went back with more eco styling gel.
Wish I could start it over, baby, I need you over. Wish I could taste, kiss you down by your waist. He treats you wrong. Wish I could show you love. Wish I could make you know.
I apply my holding spray at this point. This spray is magic. It holds my hair in place. I could have this protective style for like a week. Then I use some of the Marley braids to braid everything together, lay everything flat like the way you see in the video.
Nobody knows. I just keep it in my head. I don't say too much.
Scarf your hair and then just let everything lay down naturally. At this moment, just go ahead and take your Marley braid and start prepping your hair for the cornrow. Start prepping your hair. At this point, seriously, this is to your own taste. Depending on how you want your cornrow is how you will braid. I want it to look like the Ghana cornrow, so I will start with little portions, then I will grow into bigger ones. I don't know if I'm making sense. Sometimes I know I'm not making sense, but just watch the video. Please watch the video. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section. I am going to braid it the way I want it. Normally other people have their taste. The way it will look on your face is how you do it. Like, basically do what makes you feel good. I use what I have. At the moment, I don't have anyone holding the ends for me, so I am going to use this chair that I have in my room to make it work. I always say use the things that you have to make everything work. Don't buy new things when you can make the old things that you have work perfectly for you. And if you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section. Sometimes I don't know why I confuse myself sometimes, but I hope I'm not confusing anyone. Just watch the video and see if it makes sense.
Baby, I need you over. Wish I could taste, kiss you down by your waist. It treats you wrong. Wish I could show you love. Wish I could make you know it. Baby, I need to know it. Where do you go? Every time I touch you better, yeah. Whispering love, ain't nobody gotta hear. He lose control, does he even know you're here? Nobody knows, I just keep it in my head.
Start with a loop like this, then you start braiding your hair.
Baby, I don't say too much. Whoa, I don't say too much. Wish I could start it over. Baby, I need you over. Wish I could taste, kiss you down by your waist.
This is what you should have after everything. My cornrows were a little bit tight, so I'm trying to open it up a little bit so that it becomes bigger than what I got. This is actually okay. It's actually an okay size for me, but I just wanted to loosen it up a little bit. Make sure you have 2 of this type of braid.
He lose control, does he even know you're here? Nobody knows, I just keep it in my head. I don't say too much. I'm just here to tell, baby, I don't say too much. Whoa, I don't say too much.
Slide the bobby pin in the loop you created earlier and just pin it to your hair as seen in the video.
Kiss you down by your waist. It treats you wrong. Wish I could show you love.
At this point, just pin till you feel like the cornrow is secured on your hair. It doesn't need any specific number of pins. Just pin. Go on pinning till the hair is secured, and make sure your pins are invisible. Pin and make sure your pins do not look that obvious. As I told you, we fake it till we make it. Let it be like a cornrow attached to your hair. Don't make it look like it's fake, sister. Just pin and pin wisely.
Baby, I don't say too much. Whoa, I don't say too much. Wish I could start it over. Baby, I need you over. Wish I could taste, kiss you down by your waist. It treats you wrong. Wish I could show you love. Wish I could make you know it. Baby, I need to know it. Where do you go? Every time I touch you better, yeah. Whispering love, ain't nobody gotta hear. He lose control, does he even know you're here? Nobody knows, I just keep it in my head. I don't say too much, I'm just here to tell. Baby, I don't say too much.
We are all done. Perfectly done. I'm not going to leave it like this. Definitely I have to slay my edges first, then after I just tie it at the back. I work in a corporate environment, so I don't want to leave it hanging like that. I'll just put everything in a band at the back, and then we are all set and done.
Wish I could show you love. Wish I could make you know it. Baby, I need to know it. Where do you go? Every time I touch you better, yeah. Whispering love, ain't nobody gotta hear.
This is the final look, guys. I'm so happy. I love this hair. If you love this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys for sticking with me. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Don't say too much. I don't hesitate. Wish I could start it over. Baby, I need you over. Wish I could taste, kiss you down by your waist. It treats you wrong. Wish I could show you love. Wish I could make you know it. Baby, I need to know it. Where do you go?